through Adapt, through our marketing company, we've had a few clients lately like really wanting to go for like the premium look and feel on their website. And so I've spent a lot of time like thinking about like what makes like a home service business or a remodeling company, like what makes it feel premium when you go to their website. And there's like some things like the logo, the font, sometimes the colors. But like to me, what really makes a website pop off and feel like really badass is when you land on the website and the main thing that takes your attention is either like phenomenal photography or like really good video. Like I went to Costco, I spent like $400 or $500 on a little mini drone, and that drone takes amazing videos. And you can like fly it around with your phone, you can like program the kind of shot that you want, and then like hit play and this thing will like just pan out and or fly sideways and get these shots. So what we're doing now is we're just instructing our clients, because our clients all over the country, like go to Costco, buy this little DJI mini drone, and like start getting these shots of all your projects. One guy, he does garage doors, and so he does really nice high-end luxury garage doors. He wants his website to resonate with that market. And so it's really important when someone lands on that website, they see the kind of house they live in, they see the kind of garage door they want. And if you have like a sick shot of a drone like looking at a garage door, like flying up and away really slowly while the garage door opens, and you get like 3 to 5 second clips of different garage doors opening like that, you can edit them together, lay that in the top of your homepage, and bam, like you have this really sick video. When people land on it, they'll sit there and watch it like 5 times. And I'll show you an example of a company that does this really well. And I don't know this company, I just found them in my research, so I'm not affiliated with them at all. They just have a really badass video on their homepage, and every time I land on it, I watch the video like 4 times because it's so cool. It's like really nice photography, really nice video, and like just kind of fading away the other stuff on the webpage into the background so that all you focus on is this like really beautiful stuff. Like that's what makes a website feel really nice and luxurious. If you go look at the most high-end builders, like their website is almost all just photos. They don't have a lot of other content on there. Like they don't need a lot of content. They don't need their website to rank super good on Google or anything. So they can get away with not having content because they get customers based off of their reputation, and their website just supports that reputation. Because when you go there, you're like, man, these are some of the nicest homes, the nicest videos, nicest photos I've ever seen. So check out the website that I drop in here and like think about it. If you are one of those people out there who's already on this, like send me your website. I'd love to take a look at it, probably get some inspiration on some cool shots to get. And you know, drones are so affordable and easy to use now, like there's no excuse not to just have one. So get a drone, make badass stuff, adapt or die.